Hello everyone. Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more science project ideas. Today I will show you how to make a photosynthesis working model step by step. Materials used for this model: we need thick cardboard or thermocol sheet, green and blue chart paper, yellow chart paper, artificial plant or handmade paper plant, cotton transparent plastic tube or straw, colored paper for arrows, LED light optional, 9V battery and switch optional, cardboard sunflower if LED is not available, glue, scissors, marker or sketch pens. Now, let's start making the model. Step 1. Take a thick cardboard or thermocol sheet as the base. Fix another cardboard vertically at the back to make the background. Step 2. Cover the base with green chart paper and the background with blue chart paper. Step 3. Make a bright sun using yellow chart paper. Fix an LED light behind the sun and connect it to a 9V battery and switch. If an LED light is not available, make a beautiful sunflower using cardboard and place it on the model to represent the sun. Step 4. Place an artificial plant or a handmade paper plant in the center of the model. Fix it firmly using glue. Step 5. Make a cloud using cotton. Attach a transparent plastic tube from the cloud to the roots to represent water. You can also use a straw or simply mark falling raindrops. Step 6. Cut arrow shapes from colored paper. Yellow arrows for sunlight, black arrows for carbon dioxide, blue arrows for water, red arrows for oxygen. Step 7. Paste all the arrows in the correct direction. Sunlight moves from the sun to the leaves. Water moves from the cloud to the roots. Carbon dioxide enters the leaves. Oxygen comes out from the leaves. Step 8. Add labels: sunlight, water, H2O, carbon dioxide, CO2, oxygen, O2, glucose, food, and photosynthesis. Step 9. Connect the LED to the battery and switch. Turn on the switch to show sunlight falling on the plant. Step 10. Your photosynthesis working model is now complete and ready for your science exhibition. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy school science projects.